Hey guys, it's Charlotte and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. I haven't posted a budgeting or anything like that in a very long time, probably like a week or two. But we are doing a unboxing for you guys. So this is the new Erin Condren planner that my fiance got me for Christmas. Now, I did design it, I'm not going to lie, but he did pick the planner. I told him to either pick the 7.9 planner or the 8x10 planner. So, since this is a smaller box, I believe he got me the 7.9 planner, which is fine. I'm all about some changes in 2020. But anyway, so we are going to get to this unboxing, so this video will not be long. Before we get started, make sure you go and subscribe down below and let me know if y'all love these unboxings. Let me know if you use Erin Condren, because I will link everything down below. If you want to purchase your free, not your free, but your first planner, you do get $10 off, so that is fun. And yeah, so let's get started. So it came in this blue geometric looking box, and we're going to open it. Oh, it's pretty. It has pink. Let's see. Oh, so this is the design that I picked out. I did not pick out the color, but because I think it was like pink, but he got to choose whatever color he wants, and he knows that I love blue. So he got me that. It's a little glare, but I love the quote on this. It says, "Sometimes the smallest step in the right direction ends up being the biggest step of your life." Now this is going to be my 2020 quote, you guys. I am going to go into 2020 head on, and I'm going to tackle as many debts that I can, build up my emergency fund, save for a wedding. It will all be in my 2020 goals, so be on the lookout for that. I will be filming that soon. So anyways, I love this quote, so I wanted him to keep the quote, and then he picked this blue, and then he put my name on it, so that is fun. So let's go through. So on the side you have that you can use like dry erase board markers or something like that you can write for notes. That's the front page. Here's some quotes. Really pretty. I love the colors. All right, so you have your 2020 goals. So there's July, August, September, April. So now this is the 2020 binder. All right, so this is the small 7.9. So on the right, there is just a blank page, which I'm not sure what I want to do this year for that, because it is different. The 7.9 and the 8.5 is very different. So, and then this is the first year that I'm going to have this. So on each page, it says birthdays, monthly goals, which I will have more than 4 goals. And then I can actually write down like what I want to achieve down here. I'm going to have to look up some other people's that I like to watch, like Erica Vlogs, Simply Cami, all of them. I'm going to go and binge watch their videos so I can remember how they did theirs and like maybe grab some ideas from them. If I do, then I will link their channels down below if I get some of those ideas. All right, so lot smaller squares, but you know, it is fine. And then you have blank sheets, which I usually do the check-in, bills and budget, sinking funds, so, and then goals is usually, but we might do goals on this page every month, so that'll be fun. So yeah, so we have January all the way through December. So I'm just going to flip through past December. And then you have your January 2021 calendar. So in the upcoming years. And then we have a lot of notes, you guys. A lot of notes. Which you can actually tear these out. Can you tear the other ones? No, you cannot tear these. But you can tear these out in case you need it. So that is going to be really fun. All right, let's flip. So there's a lot that you can use on that, which hopefully I can utilize that this year. And then you get some of the stickers like they usually come in, and those are really pretty, so I might have to use some of these. There's not a lot like they did on the bigger one, but it's fine. And then you get a folder, which I didn't use mine last time, which maybe I can this year. And then the same thing with that. And it's a little black splattered marks, but, you know, super cute. So there you have it, folks. Very super sweet, short, to the point. This is my new 2020 Erin Condren planner, and it's the 7.9 planner. The links will be down below if you want to purchase. And yeah, let me know if you are excited about 2020. Let me know some of your goals that you are going to be doing, and let me know if you are a new subscriber. Hello, my name is Shirley. I do budgeting, grocery hauls, and meal planning. And then if you are a regular friend of mine, thank you for supporting me and loving me these past year. And let's just take on 2020 together. So I will see you guys later. Bye.